We look up at the night sky and we see billions of stars. We assume that somewhere out there, civilizations are calling out to us, but all we hear is silence. The Fermi paradox asks, where is everybody? Science says maybe they are dead, maybe they're too far away. But recently, a subscriber asked me to look into a strange text from 1955 called the Urantia Book. They said it contained the answer. I expected a myth. What I found was a terrifyingly detailed explanation for our isolation. According to this theory, the universe isn't silent because it's empty. It's silent because our communication lines were deliberately cut. We aren't a lonely species. We are inmates in a cosmic prison. To understand the trap, you have to understand what the universe should look like. The text describes a cosmos that is densely inhabited and highly organized. Planets aren't isolated islands. They're connected by something called universal circuits. Think of it as a galactic internet, a stream of instant communication, energy, and administration that links every inhabited world to the center. Under normal laws, Earth, which the book calls Urantia, should be plugged into this network. We should be receiving broadcasts. We should be part of the trade routes. So, why aren't we? The text claims that 200,000 years ago, a catastrophe happened. Not a war of weapons, but a war of ideas. Our local system of 619 inhabited worlds was ruled by a high-ranking administrator. You know his name. Lucifer. In this narrative, Lucifer wasn't a monster with horns. He was a brilliant, blindingly bright cosmic governor. But he grew arrogant. He issued the Lucifer Manifesto. He claimed that the Universal Father was a myth used to control the masses. He claimed that liberty meant total self-rule, ignoring the cosmic laws. He convinced the administrators of 37 planets to join his rebellion. Earth was one of them. The reaction from the high universe government was instant. They didn't blow the rebel planets up. They simply unplugged them. To stop the virus of rebellion from spreading to other systems, the Constellation Fathers ordered the communication circuits severed. The 37 rebel worlds were instantly isolated. The spiritual and communication lines went dead. A spiritual quarantine was placed around Earth. This paints a haunting picture of our history. We have spent the last 200,000 years thinking we are the only life in the universe, evolving in the dark, fighting wars, and wondering if God exists. Meanwhile, just outside our walls, the rest of the universe is carrying on, watching us, studying us, but forbidden from contacting us until the rebellion is fully adjudicated. So, if you believe this theory, the Fermi paradox isn't a mystery. It is a sentence. We are looking for a signal that we aren't allowed to receive. The universe is loud, busy, and alive. But until our quarantine is lifted, for us, the sky will remain silent.